Alright, good afternoon and welcome to this video course tutorial. My name is Rafa. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you, rather, I will be sharing with you my well-researched themes that you can use for classified website. For instance, if you want to create a website like Jiji.com or OLX, these are the themes I've actually researched and I've come up with these 6 themes. There are other ones, but their interface, I personally don't actually like the interface, but you can still check them out. But these are the 6 that I've been able to research and I'll decide to share with you. Okay, this one is actually AdForest. Okay, you can see this is the interface. You can see how clean it is. Okay, let's check it on mobile. All you need is just a little bit of optimization and you are good to go. Like this image here, you work on it. Okay, just tweak it a little and you are good to go. Okay, so let's see how the single product looks like. This is nice. So if you want to actually add a product, okay, you click on this post ad and you sign up and you start posting your ad. Okay, they have different designs per se. Let's check other. This real estate. Okay, this is another design for real estate. This is nice. This is beautiful. Okay, to be honest, this is superb. Well, I actually did a thorough research before coming out to share it with you. Okay. So it depends on which of them you actually want to purchase. Any of them that you want to purchase, you can actually go with it. It has a different prices, okay? But to be honest, I love this. So the next one I'll be sharing with you is ClassiAds. ClassiAds. Okay? You can see this is how it looks like. Let's see how it looks like on mobile. So let's check out single product. Okay, you actually call the contact of the seller. You can actually send an email or even WhatsApp. Okay. This is nice. So let's see. Okay. So it depends on how you want to create your classified ad. I highly recommend you make some, maybe one product free or two product free, one category, just whichever you want to make it. This is exactly what the themes that you need to actually achieve that. So another one I will be sharing with you is Classima. This is another one. I believe this was the exact theme or similar theme that Jiji used, because everything here and that of Jiji is the same theme, 100% the same theme. The only thing they must have tweeted one or two things, but if you visit Jiji, the way Jiji was built is the exact way that this one was actually created. So, depending on what you want to do, I just did the findings I decided to share with you guys. Let's check one product. So this is a single product. You can see the person store. You can chat. You can email. Okay. This is nice. My favorite, by the way. I just like this one. Okay. Let's see another home. All you need to do is just choose any of the home that works best for you. Just import it as demo importer, because all of them comes with demo importer. All you need to do is just to import it to your website, then start listing your own website and remove the default product that came with the theme. Okay, so this is Classima for. Let's see if you can add an ad. Okay, you enter your email address and boom, start selling. So another one I will be sharing with you is this Clasiera. Okay, you can see this is Clasiera. Let's see their single page products. The beauty about all this, you can actually make some featured. You can as in add anything. These are created by professionals. So they must have thought of everything that is required in a theme, not as pricey as it is. So they must have placed your consign before coming out to start selling them. And again, you can't just list anyhow product on a AdForest. You must undergo their scrutiny before they allow you. So let's move to another one. This is Listivo. Listivo is another nice classified theme that I actually use. Okay. Different pages that I actually use. Let's look for. Let's click on a single product and see how it appears. So this is nice. All the team, I personally did enough research before coming out to share this list with you. Okay? These are just professional team designed by professionals. Okay? So let's see how it appears on mobile. This is nice. Okay. This is nice. So let's go to the last one, the sixth one. This is actually by PremiumPress. If you know PremiumPress, I love almost all of their products. All of their products. Whether micro, job, team, any of their products are just perfect. Okay? So this is PremiumPress. Let's check on a single page. This is nice. So most of these things actually cost some 79, some 49, some 50. So if you actually need them, you need to come to TeamForest and start buying all of them. Like for instance, let's say Listivo. Listivo is around 79 US dollar. Okay, some cost less than this price. So any of them that I actually want to buy, you can buy them from TeamForest. But if you need them in GPL, you can actually visit this website and you get all of them for a very affordable price. 2,500 naira, you can get all of them. And you can actually subscribe for their trial on the 1 month subscription. They have 3 months subscription. Okay, so these are the themes I decided to share with you. If you are interested in creating classified website, and if you want me to create a website for you, just hit me up and I'll be glad to help you. Any website at all, any type of website, just tell me what you want, how you want it, and I will get it done for you at a very, very affordable price. So I'll be dropping the links to any of these themes if you actually want to buy them. Okay? And if you want to buy it from this website, you can actually visit this website to make your purchase. So, thank you very much and God bless you.